I thought I had put it on upside down. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. Actually, we're going to do 2 tumblers in this one. I have been contacted by the fine folks at Koala paper. I received some holographic printable vinyl sticker paper to try out, and I said, oh yes, please, let's do that, because I love me some holo. I wanted to show you the package. This is what it looks like. It's available on Amazon. Links to everything below. And there may be a discount code, hopefully. I wanted to show you what it looks like fresh out of the package. It's just a stunning holographic effect, isn't it? It's beautiful. And they give you lots of information, lots of troubleshooting, lots of recommended settings. And here are the graphics I did for the 2 tumblers we're going to make today. You may recognize this graphic. I did this once before. I did it as a full wrap water slide on a glow tumbler a little while back. I will link to this video below if you didn't see it and you want to. But this time I thought it would be even prettier with a holographic effect, showing it off. So that's what I did. I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to wrap it on here. That should be a cup right there. I mean, full wraps are sometimes intimidating. I know when I first tried them, I made so many mistakes. It's a lot like full wrap water slides. Full wrap vinyl can be intimidating also because it can go wrong pretty quickly and pretty dramatically. So we're going to start with the full wrap today. Okay, the trickiest part of all wraps is starting it off straight. I'm just going to do my best. I'm going to try my hardest. That looks pretty good. Pretty good. Now we'll find out if it really matches up or not. Now we'll find out. Okay. That may not have worked. I'm not sure why it's doing. Let's see how this one worked. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. There is a tiny bit of tape residue from the top piece and an even tinier little bit down here. So I think when all is said and done, that probably won't show any more than the rest of the seam does. Now let's see if this is still going to match up. Not at all. Look at that. Somehow I screwed it up. Oh my gosh. I'm going to run with it and we'll see where we end up. It does go on like a dream. I am not getting any bubbles of air, any wrinkles. This is really nice stuff. The only problems I'm having are because I can't get anything straight to save my life. Okay, so my seam is off and my edges are off, and that is just how it is apparently. Oh my gosh. However, the vinyl itself is amazing. So the edges are not even, but now comes the holographic nail tape. These come in 3 widths, I think 12 different colors. Each color comes in 3mm width, 2mm width, and 1mm width. I could go silver, but here's our chance to do something a tiny bit more vibrant. There's so many colors represented, pretty much anything will work. It's too bad, I'm with Ray, it's too bad there isn't an orange in here. I'm gonna go with the dark blue. Okay, there we go. Okay, so for the second cup, I am going to use the holographic vinyl. This is part of a 20-ounce wrap that I bought on Etsy. I love the top part too, but for this particular tumbler, I wanted to just use this bottom part. Before we get to the vinyl, we are going to do a Tack-It tumbler. This is a 30-ounce skinny straight from Makerflow. Sanded it, washed it, spray painted it flat black. And now I'm going to put some Aleene's Tack-It over and over. I'm gonna put some in here because I'm almost out of the mixture I have, and then add some water to it, mix it up and put it on here. 2 layers on here, let it dry, and then we'll come back and we will put some gorgeous, gorgeous holographic ultrafine black glitter over this whole cup. This is Deep Space from Glitter Chimp. Okay, to burnish, 2 to 3 fingers, we rub it and make it lie down and be pretty. When you do that, it starts to give off this beautiful holographic rainbow look. I don't know if you can see that. It is really, really gorgeous. And then whole hand. Yes, it does knock off some of the glitter, but look at the gorgeous holographic result. That is just beautiful, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so what happens next is I take this outside and I spray it with some matte clear spray just to make sure the glitter is good and sealed on there. And then I put a layer of resin on it, and then I'll bring you back, and then we'll do the vinyl wraps and decals. So stay tuned. Okay, so we have this gorgeous black holographic sparkle tumbler now. Love it. And I am going to put some more of this amazing holographic printable vinyl from Koala. And I've printed way more than I need, but that's okay. I'm going to start by cutting off the top bit. Okay, to figure out how much I don't want to do a half because I have a decal up here. So I'm going to come down and do about this much. And let's see if I cut off too much. Well, it should work okay, believe it or not. All right, amazing. Try the hinge method again. I have been having mixed luck with this. Okay. Yay. It actually worked. Amazeballs. Okay, now I have my pin striping. This is just regular permanent adhesive vinyl, and I cut it at the width of 0.15 inches. Voila, c'est magnifique. That is gorgeous. So I have hollow and I have hollow, and it's just beautiful. So now I'm gonna put a decal on it. And there we go. Beauty. There they are. They are just both stunning. Look at that hollow. The next time you see these, we will be out in the sunshine. Stay tuned.